I was in Ariara a few days ago, just because of so I want to go and see by myself.
Please, my fellow Biafrans, please help me and share this video and drop your thoughts under the comment section. If you know that you like what I'm doing, if you know that you like to support me, just take much of your time and and watch this particular video, because if you see watching this our brother talk in this video concerning the case of Blord, Sowore, and the very dark man, my brother, it will shock you. So just take a moment of your time and watch this video, because he talked a lot about what is happening right now in Nigeria and what they're supposed to do. So I will not use my mouth to talk everything, but just calm down and watch this video, because it will take you a long way. Thank you and God bless you. And do not forget to comment and also share. Tag federal government, tag Biafran people under the comment section. One love.
I was in Ariara a few days ago, just because of so I want to go and see by myself. I begin to see Sowore that these people, city boys, are using him partially. Yes, greetings everyone. My name is Chief Odenigbo. Yes, I came in here for this particular video because of VeryDarkMan and Blord. I never want to say anything about this video, but why I came in here to say something because of Sowore. I used to have big respect for Sowore, very big one. At the time, I even see him as a very right candidate for the youth for presidency. But lately, since I watched his video, he was talking about OT did not do anything in Abia State, that is overrated. I went to Abia State. I went to Aba. Especially, I went to Ariara. If you have been to Ariara, past 28 years, when Ojuzo was there, when T. Ojo was there, and the other woman, what's her name? What's the name of the other woman that just went out? What's her name? Okay, Zikbazo. Yes. You know that Ariara was so bad that there's nothing to write home. Is nothing to write home about. You can't go through First Road. You can't go through anywhere. But I went to Ariara. In fact, be watching this video going up here. I was in Ariara a few days ago, just because of Sowore. I want to go and see by myself. I begin to see Sowore that these people, city boys, are using him partially to bring down the good work happening in Nigeria. That is how I'm seeing him now, because of what he's doing currently now. How can you come and tell VeryDarkMan that what he did is bad? Do you expect him to start fighting with a Blord on the road, exchanging blows? Is that what you expect him to do? VeryDarkMan did what is right for him to do. You cooperated his face that can give him billions. Yes. In everywhere, both your app, both signboard, and everything. And you want him to keep quiet in this kind of civilized world we are into. That is not enough. He went straight to Kataefe and said to him that he paid VeryDarkMan 500 million for advert, which is a lie. He needs to pay that money. Blord is my brother. He's from Igbo land. And mind you, as long as it's justice, I'm okay with it. I'm okay with it. What he did was so childish that nobody can do that. You are fighting online. Why did you continue the fight online? You took it physical, offline. Start using his face, stealing his face. That is stealing and forgery. Stealing. Armed robbery. That's what it is. Forgery. You stole his name, his face, that you signed him just for nothing, just to catch cruise. Every day you come out and say Very dark man do this, very dark man do that. I have call, I have this, I have contact, I have this one, contact this one. Make him mouth unnecessarily. That's why I said you're a small boy. I didn't hate you, my brother. I never hated you. I can never hate you. You know why? Because you are doing well successfully. I can never hate you. But I have to tell you the truth. The truth in the sense that those things you were doing are childish. Very childish. A businessman is not supposed to do such a thing. Someone who have multiple chains of business, you leave it and you're pursuing influencer career. Yes, it's good. You can be an influencer, but in a positive way. This same thing nearly happened to Obi Kubana, but he shut it down. But that did not make him to be undercover. Everybody know him. Everybody see him. Yes, he's out there. Now we are waiting for you to put on the call. Make calls. You're going to come out. Make those calls you say you have. Those contacts you have, call them. So they will come out. I believe Showore is one of them. Showore is one of them, and he has spoken. And we have heard him. Showore is okay, we have heard you. If you have the power, go and release him from there. Yes. If you have the power, go and release him from there. That is my own. I used to like you as an upright man, but currently you're being biased. You're being biased. Judgment or doing the right thing is all about conscience. The law must take its course. Blord is a grown-up man. He's an adult. He knows what he's doing. Yes. Ignorance of law is never an excuse. Yes. Copyrights have a big law. So you cannot use a copyrighted face and say that you're catching cruise. No, it's never a catching cruise. You can never catch cruise, such a thing. So that is it. Someone might do it to you as a Showore. If you see your billboard now everywhere, using it for something else, what will you do? I use your face to publicize something that you are my ambassador. You're not aware of it, knowing that you're a public figure, knowing that you have followers who will fall into that, who will go and buy that because of you. What will you do? You will just fold your hand and start smiling. You won't even call. You won't even call the person and do something about it. Showore, please sit yourself down and think. Some of the things you do these days is not the way it's supposed to be. You are going astray. Believe me, you're going astray. This is not you. This is not you. I thought we were together. But since you went to Abia State and said that nonsense, I never see you as someone who is with the masses anymore. You are just doing things for people to know that you are there. You just want to do it because you can be able to do it. You want them to see that you can do it. Not that you are fighting for the masses. You want to show people that you can do it, that you have the power. You can do it. That is not all about it. The law must take its course. Let him be there and come out when he's supposed to come out and pay the money. That is it. That's why I am. He should pay that 500 million naira. And he said that he gave to VeryDarkMan so that others will learn from it. Others will learn from it. Yes, very important. My name is Chief Odenigbo. Thank you and God bless. Share. Let it go viral.